Alright, call the wild man. This might go on YouTube. It's gonna get 1 million hits.
You fuck yourself. Oh, fuck your mom, everybody else has. Really?
Oh.
I remember when I had my first beer.
Right. Give me half of it.
This one?
I hope it's this one. Hey, what are you, afraid of spiders? Hurry up.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Holy cow, these cable guys get paid by the hour. That's why it takes so long to get your freaking cable fixed. Yeah, we'll be there between the hours of 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. Just wait.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Wait all day.
Yeah, alright.
I said, now I know why. Holy moly.
Next time you need something done,
I'm gonna call cable.
76300. See how that works out for you?
Holy. This is like almost watching Dumb Criminals. World's dumbest.
Stop it.
1-800 McNamara Sapio tree removal. This is good.
Right here.
Stupid D and stupid D.
Tie it to the muffler. Julie be driving a hot rod.
I got tied to my cock and hope you recycle.
That won't get us very far. Oh boy. Come on, you're the exception. Let's go. Oh boy. Figures the guy from Mastic has a switchblade.
Pistol on my ankle.
There's a fucking prison shank up his ass. Oh, listen, I probably should have given you enough to get off the lawn. But
We'll get it right. We'll get it right on the second bush.
Don't spill your beer while you're driving.
Yeah, where the fuck is my beer?
Right here.
Hope this. I'm standing back for this one.
Yeah, this works. I'll be going there.
I'll figure.
Right got my beer.
Right here. Right here.
Oh,
Here.
thanks, buddy.
Oh boy. Oh yeah, that worked. Who tied that knot? Oh yeah.
Oh, that is not. Hey, back it up.
That didn't work so good.
That's
Who tied that knot?
That didn't work.
Some gotta be the cable guy.
Stand by
Take
right
two.
there.
Bing.
What a jackass.
This could. This might actually go on YouTube. Hold on. Don't drink it, you fuck. Let's see.
This almost tore this in half, so.
You're dumb. Yep. I bet you $1 it comes off again.
Well, yeah.
Jerry, how are you?
Nice and slow.
Take that bet.
Jerry's in on the bet.
Nice and slow.
Uh oh.
We got a chance.
Oh yeah.
Attention.
Something's gonna snap. I don't know what. It was. It was so close.
We're getting there.
Actually, the bush looks good like that. It's away from the house now.
Mission accomplished.
Yeah. All right, our job is done here.
What did you do? The bull thing?
Yeah. And that's a wrap.